Hey guys, I'm Jampol Tico Linares and my vlogs today is about teaching my little brother to read ABCD and to count basic number of 1 to 10. Syempre, bago tayo pumunta sa vlog na yan at bago rin natin sagutin ang first question, intro, pasok!
Are you down for this? If you're in the mood, we can take it to the moon. Just like a movie scene, table for two. No need to be fair, I want you instead.
Let's go to the question. Who am I? Who am I? Is a great question for me. I am John Paul Tico Linares and si John Paul is magaling. Magaling umiwas sa mga gulo.
Hindi totoo yan.
Kidding aside, si John Paul is masipag and working hard student. Kasi I'm not talented at all. I'm not smart enough. To be honest, I'm jealous about to the person that good at academics because I'm not good at it. Pero I'm trying my best to good at it. I want to claim it by myself and gusto ko rin naman maging magaling, pero gusto ko sa mahirap na paraan. Alam ko naman kaya ko, hindi ko naman ipipresyo kung hindi ko kaya, di ba? Lahat naman tayo may kanyang-kanyang kagalingan. Pero for me, who am I till now I'm finding the question that who am I, but I think I'm John Paul Tico Linares, the working hard student that trying her best to achieve her dream or ma-achieve ko ang pangarap ko as an educator or future educator ng kabataan.
Love about self. Nito naman is I love that the bonding about me and my brother. Like nakikita nyo, tinuturuan ko siya. Na-enjoy ko kasi I love the bond. And as a future educator, I teach him very carefully and nagiging mabait lang ako sa brother ko. And especially to family bond, ayun, I love to do it. And so one of the things that I love to is to listen music and playing games like I used to do when I have free time, to do some my modules. And of course, hindi naman rin mawawala yung paggawa ko ng assignments or mga projects ko sa free time din. And isa rin sa mga pinakagusto kong gawin, especially when I'm alone, is to cook. Yes, nagluluto lang po ako ng kaya kong lutuin na dish, kagaya ng pancit canton, itlog, and foodlong. Ayun lang din kasi kaya kong lutuin. Kidding aside, is I love to play with my friends and to talk to my friends and to know what their lives doing or their lives, if they're okay, kung okay sila. Ayun naman din ang gusto ko. And lastly, yung important things and love to things to do ko is to pray. Like I pray my career kasi si God naman talaga yung na provide sa akin and my strength, and alam ko si God din ang makakatulong sa akin through my challenges of my life. So ayun lang po yung mababahagi ko sa love things that I can do or I love to do.
Hindi yan E.
Ano yan? Ayun. Ano yan?
A,
Ah, F. Nice.
F,
Ito. Ha?
G,
Galing. Ay, dali.
A,
Hindi, ulit. Ilan?
1, 2, E, R, A, Y, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow, galing. Ang galing ni... Ay. What is my favorite thing to do? Favorite kong matulog, kumain. Hindi, joke lang. Kidding aside, favorite to do ko is magbasa ng mga manga like sa anime. Binabasa ko siya kasi gusto kong malibang sa kakabasa, and favorite ko siya since back nung pandemic era. Kasi yung pagbabasa, ayun lang yung things na nakakapag-depress sa akin para di ako mawala. Tapos, favorite things ko rin is about ano ba? Parang basketball. Ayun. Nag-champion din ako noon sa basketball. Till now, naglalaro ako ng basketball, pero konti lang. Kasi I have many things to do with my responsibility as to them. Syempre, kailangan natin makapag-aral. Kaya ano pa ba yung mga favorite things to do ko? Aside from basketball and reading some literature. Favorite things ko pa is to play esports, video games, and and to create a video about my games. And I also create a TikTok account, and my hobby is, one of my favorite things din is swimming, kasi nakakapag-relieve. Na-exercise ko yung katawan ko, and aside from that, marami akong things na gusto. Like, marami akong gustong subukan. Like, gusto kong subukan yung mga hindi ko pa nasusubukan. Kaya marami na akong things na nagawa ko na. Like, playing badminton, baseball, basketball, I think volleyball rin. Kasi nag-try din ako sa mga ganyan. And around sports, I'm a sporty na tao. Kasi favorite ko talaga maglaro ng pang sports. Saka, ayun yung mga favorite things to do ko with my free time. Thank you guys for your time to watch my video. See you!